about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chasers. So fam, today's Sunday. Now, this is the day I typically like to have my refeeds / cheat days. You know, I've been cutting for the past, 6+ weeks, okay? Almost done. Let me show you a little abs. No, we almost done, baby. You know, I'm not trying to be show ready. I just want to keep it whole ready and crispy for the summer. I ain't trying to be on stage with my butt cheek shredded. You know what I'm saying? If I was trying to be on stage with my butt cheek shredded, I'd probably have to diet a little longer. Okay, so let me show you my snack. I'm about to get ready to train some legs, okay? Let me show you what I got going on. So here we are. I got a bowl of cereal. What I did was I took a whole sleeve of these Quaker rice cakes. They're 11 grams of carbs each. I crushed the whole bag and put them in here. So this is 77 grams of carbs. If you watched my last vlog, I had watermelon. I'm having pineapple right now. So this is my high carb snack. I'm gonna have this, wait about an hour, and go hit these legs. And if you're wondering what kind of milk I used, I got the GEF way up in here. Go to tigerfitness.com. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. So I'm about to have this and get to these legs, all right? All right, fam, time to go to the gym. You already know, Intra Pump. This has electrolytes and BCAAs. I'm gonna have it in my water. Gonna help me stay hydrated and push through this leg workout. Let's get it. All right, fam, I'm gonna start off this leg workout. Just did hamstrings. Gonna start off a quad work with this guillotine leg press. I've actually seen videos of certain science-based influencers talking negatively about this equipment right here. You know, I'm gonna respectfully disagree. I like this right here. And what I like doing here, I like doing wide stance, sumo style. It almost feels like a sumo style deadlift. You know, keep in mind, fam, I had an L4, L5 bulging disc back in 2018. I'm telling you, this shit kept me in the game. You just gotta make sure you have good mind-muscle connection and you don't round your back on this, because you can round your back on the leg press, especially the guillotine leg press. So shout outs to all the science-based influencers talking shit about this, but again, I respectfully disagree. Yeah, I want a little more lines, a little more crispiness. Just a little more crispiness in my legs and I'll be happy. Just a little more crispiness. Let's go. All right, homies and homettes, your boy back home. Now, although it's my cheat day, I still want to get at least 1 gram per pound. 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. I weigh about 185 right now. I'm going to 180. I want to get crispy. So I want to hit at least 185 grams of protein. Now on a regular day, my protein's higher than that. It's over 200 grams. But on refeeds and cheat days, all I need is 1 gram per pound of body weight. So I had 2 scoops of whey earlier with my cereal. I got a scoop here, so that's already 75 grams of protein, right? Then I'm doing a whole pound of beef. So that's a little over 150 grams of protein. So if I go have some pizza, or I go have me some ribs, or whatever, even sushi, that's gonna put me over 185 grams of protein. So just a little hack right there, because keep in mind, fam, I'm trying to get this cut over. Okay, I'm trying to get this cut over. When summer hit, I want to just enjoy myself, rocking my tank tops, you know, tank topping, top dropping all summer long. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this shit up, all right? So let's get it. All right, fam, check it out. My burger bowl's right here. Come here, Boogie. I got a burger bowl.
Just type in Chris Jones Burger Bowl if you want to know how to make it. Got a little watermelon right here. Come say hi. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today, Brookie?
Going to the arcade.
Arcade? Really?
Yeah.
What are we doing after that? That's so much fun. Sushi? I like that, Brookie. You all right. So arcade and sushi?
Yeah.
That's great. Give me some hugs. Yay! Okay, here you go. Y'all heard her. I'ma have this, fam. Shower up and change. We're gonna have a nice little fun day. Arcade and sushi. I'm gonna take you guys along, all right? Bam. All right, fam. We changed our mind last minute, okay? Oh yeah, we changed our mind. We're gonna go ahead and get some Korean barbecue instead. Then take Brooke to go play. You ready, Brookie? Yeah. Let's get it. All right, all right, all right. So here we are, all you can eat, guys. We're gonna do the premium?
Yeah.
Let's do that premium.
You can just leave that whole thing.
Oh, yeah. What kind of meat is that? That's a Wagyu?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. A short rib. Okay. Long bone. Oh, yeah. Put it right over here. It's going down, baby. All you can eat beef, guys. All you can eat, guys. All you can eat. Got Chef Denise over here hooking it up. We got more protein on the grill. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yes, fam. All you can eat, baby. And for my carbs, lots of rice. As you see, I got doubled up right now. Lots of rice, lots of meat, all right? Then we're gonna go to the arcade and have a little fun. Bam. Got a little more. Now, what's this, Denise?
Honey chicken.
All right, honey chicken. Yeah, smells good too. Denise chopped that steak down. Hey, put it right, put some of that.
No, it's still gotta cook.
Still gotta cook a little more? Okay, okay. Got me Korean style ribs. All right, so we just got here, guys. Gonna play some arcade games, hang out for a little bit. I'm low-key full, ready to lay down, but I told her I'd bring her here. We're gonna play a little bit, maybe get some dessert somewhere, maybe get some froyo or something. We'll figure it out. In the meantime, we'll have us a little fun. Come on, Brooke. Oh, Brooke, woo, Brooke, winner.
You gotta get a bag.
Wow. What you want, basketball? Let you go first. Come on, Brookie. Okay, Brookie. I saw that. I know y'all saw that. I know y'all saw that. I know you saw that. I didn't get to capture it. Let me see. She won again. Look at you. Winner. We got a bag to collect her toys. Let me get a Whataburger with extra tomato. I want mayonnaise and ketchup. Medium fry. Make it a small shake. What kind of shake?
Can we do, what shake you want? Chocolate or vanilla? Or strawberry?
All right, homies and homies, we're home. Okay. Want to say hi? Okay, there you go. So check it out, fam. Went to Whataburger and got me a burger. So Brooke wants the fries. Here you go. Take the fries. You can have them. All I want, fam, is the burger. I don't want no fries. Now, since this is my refeed day, I do want a little more carbs. Now, with this burger, I'm gonna have this right here. I'm gonna have a whole sleeve. That's 7 Quaker. These are one of my favorite white cakes right here. The white cheddar flavor. It reminds me of having white cheddar popcorn. You know those black Smart bags? This is what it reminds me of. So I'm gonna have a whole sleeve of this with my burger, watch a little Netflix, and we're gonna call it a night. And we're back in the gym tomorrow. So if there's anybody out there that would like some online macro-based coaching, you already know. Hire me at beastmode316.com. If you're looking for an easy to follow program already written out, sets, reps, tutorial videos, go to my site. I've been on the bro split program, guys. A super bro split program. I got push, pull, leg, whatever you need. Head down to beastmode316.com. Well, anyway, we'll see you at the next video. All right, guys. Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.
these weights.